Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be learning how to download Emirates Islamic Bank application on your Android device. But before jumping into the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell for more updates. Now moving back to our video, firstly you need to check whether your device is connected to the internet or not. If yes, then open Play Store. After opening Play Store, in the search bar you must type EMIRATES space ISLAMIC space BANK and press the search button. Then Play Store will show your result, and right besides your result there will be a green install button. Press it. If you press that button, Play Store will then start your download. To read more about this application, go inside and search for an area where it is written about this app. Over there you can read more about this application. After waiting a while, your application will be successfully downloaded and then you can use it to its fullest. I hope the tutorial video was useful for you. If so, like this video and comment down in the comment box if you have any questions or feedbacks. We will be back soon with more videos. Till then, goodbye.